Okay, this is Layla from Supertech Electronics. I'm going to show you how to pull the amplifier out of a 2020 Land Cruiser Prado. So all you'll need are a pointy item, a small screwdriver is fine, and a 10mm socket, preferably a bit of length in it, because when we go to the back you've got to reach over a bit of metal. So first thing we do is we slide the seat back, pull this bit of carpet forward, then it's just a matter of undoing this bolt, which we've already done previously. So now once you pull that screw out, we've got to go to the back of the car and slide the seat forward. We'll slide the seat forward now, and then we'll move to the back of the car. Right, now that we've done the front, is that what we're doing? Yeah. I'm going to show you how to pull the back off. So again, pop down these little nodules in, and you're going to lever this out and move that to the side. And in there we've already undone it slightly, but you need a 10mm spanner. Stick it on top of the bolt which is down there and undo the bolt. And then once that bolt's out, that's it, it's ready to go. Okay, now that we've done the back, we just again pop this thing down, pull that out, we can pull this plastic cover out. Everything is loose. You can pull this forward. Undo these two connectors by pushing down on this tab and pulling. This one here you've got to clip back, pull this clip back here, and then you pull this up. There's a little locking tab in there. You pull out, and also because we've already done it before previously, this can unclip from there. Now it's ready to come out, be packed up and sent off for Supertech Electronics for repair.